From today, we are converting our today's news into 2 days news to bring up much more interesting news for you. Number 1. The multiple device feature for WhatsApp is in its final stage and might soon be available for beta version users as per reports. The feature would allow users to use the same WhatsApp account on 4 different devices simultaneously. It also doesn't require the primary device to be connected to the internet for other accounts to work, like WhatsApp Web. 2. Elon Musk-owned American electric vehicle company Tesla reportedly held initial talks with Karnataka government officials to discuss setting up a research facility in Bengaluru. State officials are now expected to present a detailed proposal to Tesla executives later this month, as per reports. Musk in July had said that Tesla cars will be available in India by 2020. 3. 27 coffins buried over 2,500 years ago have been unearthed by archaeologists in Egypt. The coffins were found inside a newly discovered well at a sacred site in Saqqara, which is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. Initial studies indicate that these coffins haven't been opened since they were buried, Egypt's Antiques Ministry said in a statement. 4. Head of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, Major General Hossein Salami, said that his country is capable of setting fire to all US bases in the Persian Gulf at once. The US Army is exhausted and doesn't have the power to start a ground war with Iran, he added. The comment comes amid tensions between the US and Iran. 5. Bill Gates, Microsoft co-founder and the world's second richest person, told Fox News that US President Donald Trump's decision of travel ban earlier this year may have accelerated the coronavirus spread in the US. We created this rush and we didn't have the ability to test or quarantine those people, said Gates, and so that seeded the disease here, he added. 6. A NASA-led study said Greenland and Antarctica's ice sheets could together contribute over 15 inches to global sea level rise by 2100 if greenhouse gas emissions continue. The findings are in line with projections in the IPCC 2019 Special Report on Oceans and the Cryosphere, NASA said. It had said Greenland would contribute 3.1 to 10.6 inches to global sea level rise between 2000 to 2100. 7. Personal data of 1,000 Belarusian police officers was leaked by hackers in retaliation to crack down on street demonstrations against President Alexander Lukashenko. As the arrests continue, we will continue to publish data on a massive scale, a statement on Telegram read. The government said it would find and punish those behind leaking the data which was distributed on Telegram channels. 8. Marine biologists are planning the rescue of around 270 whales stranded on a sandbar off the coast of the Australian island of Tasmania on Monday. Government scientists said it appeared that at least 25 of the animals had already died. While stranding of this scale aren't unprecedented, we certainly haven't had one for at least 10 years, an official said. 9. At least 127 patients were safely evacuated after a fire broke out in the ICU ward of COVID-19 dedicated hospital in Cuttack district of Odisha. A short circuit in ICU of Sadhguru Hospital is believed to have caused the fire. However, the reason is yet to be as certain. Everyone has been shifted to other hospitals, said an official. 10. Tencent said WeChat may not be able to win new US users while the White House challenges a court ruling blocking a ban on the app. It added that routine updates for existing users may be negatively affected if WeChat gets removed from app stores. Earlier, a judge had blocked the government's decision to ban WeChat's downloads from September 20. 11. Twitter said that it has more analysis to do after users pointed out possible racial bias in an algorithm that decides how photos are cropped and displayed on users' timelines. A user posted photos of Barack Obama and Mitch McConnell, and Twitter prioritized the white senator's photo throughout several permutations. A Twitter official said they will open source the algorithm for review. 12. Dutch PM Mark Rutte criticized fans who sing and cheer at soccer matches, saying they were making the fight against the coronavirus tougher amid a surge in infections. Just shut up when you are sitting there. Watch the game and don't shout. It's possible, Rutte told soccer fans. Many fans were seen leaving the seats during matches to stand and sing together. 13. Two extremely rare Javan rhinoceros calves, one male and one female, have been spotted in an international national park. The male rhino calf has been named Luther and the female is being called Helen. They were seen with their mothers in footage taken from nearly 100 camera traps installed in Ujung Kulon National Park between March and August. 14. A woman fell out of a car and onto a highway in the UK while hanging out of the passenger window to shoot a Snapchat video. It's only by luck she wasn't seriously injured or killed, Surrey police wrote on Twitter while sharing a picture of the open passenger window. Police further said there was no necessity to arrest anyone. 15. US President Donald Trump told Fox News that he wouldn't approve TikTok's deal if China's ByteDance retains control of the operations. It's going to be totally controlled by Oracle, and I guess they are going public and they are buying out the rest of it, Trump said. He added that if Oracle and Walmart don't have total control, he wouldn't approve the deal. Tell us in the comment section which type of news you are interested in.